Hi friends, how are you? Hope you all doing great. Today what we will learn? We will learn basic English. Yes, today we will learn conversation so that you can conversate with your friends in English. So, let's get started. When we meet someone, we will greet. We will either say hi or assalamu alaikum, or we can even say hi and assalamu alaikum. Then what would be the next question? Yes, how are you? Or you can even ask like this, how do you do? How are you? How do you do? I am doing good. I am fine. I am great. You can choose either one. You tell. Then we supposed to ask someone, you tell. How do? You tell. After greeting, what comes? Yes, introduce yourself. What's your name? You ask like someone, what's your name? My name is Harry. You tell. What you do? I am a student. Simple. When we greet someone, we ask them what you do. I am a student. Nice to meet you. My pleasure. My pleasure. So, next here comes daily using sentences. Like when our brother come back from school, how we can ask them? How's your day? What you did whole day? What you did whole day? How many family members do you have? How many family members do you have? Do you have any siblings? What are your hobbies? What is your favorite food? What's your whole day routine? Thank you. We'll see you again. Take care. Yeah, so that's all for today. Hope you will use all these sentences in your daily conversation.
Hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel.